today for lunch I'm gonna make food for 3 people and I budgeted myself to $11. So I picked some cauliflower tacos. It's gonna be a 5-minute video on how to do the tacos, and I will post the ingredients at the end of the video. So I'm gonna start cutting down the cauliflower into really small florets. Then I'm gonna mix all the ingredients for the marinade for the cauliflower, and then you're gonna mix it all together. Now I'm gonna grab the cauliflower and then I'm gonna let it sit in the fridge for about 10 minutes. Next I'm gonna finely julienne the cabbage, the jalapenos, and the apples. And then I'm gonna squeeze the lime juice in there and mix everything together. So for this lunch, I budgeted myself at $11, and I ended up spending $10.92.